Today's video, our Hellcat Swapped Dodge RAM 1500, or Ram 1500 I should say, before people in the comments get mad. So we're taking our truck over to our buddy Nathan at Knight's Auto Styling, and he's gonna go ahead and tint this thing. Finally, after owning it for almost 2 years, we're finally gonna get some tint on it. So right now it's just a fishbowl. We've got nothing on both sides. This is just whatever factory stuff is. But with having only 2 doors on this thing, you really just get hammered by the sun down here in the south. So let's go ahead, fire it up. Let's get over there and let's get to work. Alright, let's go. Alright guys, so we made it to Knight's Auto Styling. Alright, we got Nathan here. What are you doing?
Right now we are throwing our American Standard window film Performer series 3% onto his doors, and then doing a layer of the 3% onto the back window as well.
Are we doing 3 or 5?
We're doing 3%.
No, I gave him free raid. He went 3. So
you said you wanted dark.
So he's got the 3%. The cool thing is he actually has, is it a CAD program or?
No, so I actually use Film and Vinyl Designs.
Okay.
But it does all the pre-cutting and everything for me.
So this is gonna be dialed because he ended up just cutting this on a vinyl cutter, and then he's got it laid out here. He's gonna get the vehicle prepped, get it all cleaned up, and then we'll get that on. We're also gonna do the rear too, but we'll get the sides done first before we get to that. All right, here we go. It's gonna be so dark. It's gonna look good though. All right, I promise this was only like 2 minutes later and he's already got this thing pretty much squeegeed out. This is probably one of the easier ones for you though, right?
Sometimes, yeah.
Yeah.
Sometimes I like to do a full bit of paint, but...
Oh man, that looks, it completely transforms the look from the outside. Like, check out the other side here. Just straight clear through. All right guys, so Nathan did an amazing job on this. So huge shout out to Nathan. I'll link him down below. Knight's Auto Styling. You do a bunch of stuff though, right?
Yes, sir.
So what else do you do? Tell them.
We do vehicle wraps, window tint, lighting, audio, suspension, whether it's air suspension or coilovers. We're kind of your all-around go-to shop. Heck
yeah. So I'll link them down below for you guys. Again, huge shout out to my boy Nathan for getting this done. I still gotta let it cure, so we'll let that cure up. But if you guys need anything, I'll link him down below. He's here in Lakeland, Florida. We're probably gonna bring some other stuff to him as well because we got some other fish bowls we need to get done. But thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up. Go follow our boy Nathan. We'll see you guys in the next one.